Using Apple gift card to buy AirPods is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can use Apple gift card to buy AirPods. So for that you need to do one thing. So first of all, suppose you have a gift card, you need to redeem that gift card into your Apple account so that your gift card money is in your Apple account. So as you guys can see, this is the process which you need to follow in order to redeem your gift card. First of all, you need to go to your app store, which should look something like that. There you have to tap on your profile. After tapping on your profile, you will see at this page here you have to tap on this redeem gift card or code. And then after tapping on that option, you will see this page. Here you can either enter the card details manually or you can scan the camera, use the camera to scan the card. So after that, your money will be added to your Apple account. Afterwards, you will easily be able to pay either using your, virtual or physical card of the Apple. As you guys can see, this is the Apple. You can go to the Apple store and let them know that I have money in my Apple account. How can I pay? They will give you some sort of methods like you can pay contactlessly, or if they don't have contactless, you need to have this card which you will easily be able to use to pay at Apple store. So that's pretty much it. That's how you'll be able to do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.